I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no, ma'am.
We've got a wild one today. A sovereign citizen gets completely shut down by Judge Noon during a hearing about driving without insurance. And no, you cannot make this stuff up. This woman is acting like the law doesn't even exist, claiming it doesn't apply to her. Because she's not a citizen. Classic sovereign citizen Karen behavior. She tries to argue her way out, but instead just makes a total fool of herself while the judge schools her. If you love watching sovereign citizens get wrecked in court, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance, and then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. It has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire...
Who does this Karen think she is? She's trying to get her entire case thrown out because she claims she's a foreign alien and that laws don't apply to her. Like, how does that even make sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're agreeing to follow the law, plain and simple. That includes having insurance. It's called implied consent, and no amount of YouTube legal theories is going to change that. What do you guys think? Should we boot sovereign citizens from the courtroom entirely? Or do they actually have a point? Let's get back into it.
Trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate. Or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation damages or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. At that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing. She can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, man.
Things get way more heated in this part. Karen completely loses it. and the judge takes her arguments apart one by one. And seriously, how is it so hard to just buy insurance for your car? It's not a government conspiracy, it's literally there to protect everyone on the road. But instead of listening, she just keeps digging herself into a deeper hole. The judge throws facts at her, and she just can't handle it. Let me know in the comments if you think she's just clueless, or if she actually believes this nonsense. Let's jump into the next part of the hearing.
Just for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all-cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, Javier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all-cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Javier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to this matter. Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Javier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm an attorney in fact.
This is the part that always cracks me up. Sovereign citizens toss around these magical phrases like they're cheat codes that are going to win them the case. But newsflash, that's not how the legal system works. If you really want to represent yourself or speak as some kind of entity in court, you need an actual attorney's license, a P number. You can't just invent your own rules. These sovereign citizens are so out of touch, it's almost painful to watch.
You to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it.
Quiet. Javier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Javier Williams, are you present twice? Javier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance, on the behalf of Javier Williams, the agent.
Okay.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Javier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Javier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket.
So, whose side are you on here? The sovereign citizen or the side of plain old common sense? Personally, I think this judge nailed it. She stayed calm, laid down the law, and didn't let the nonsense slide. That's exactly how it should be. Some judges try to argue with sovereign citizens, but honestly, the best way is to just cut through it and move on. What do you think? Did she handle it perfectly? Or should she have dropped the hammer even harder? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom chaos. Thanks for watching, and take care.